Hey guys, Mike Stack here at Neil Huffman Acura at Oxmoor. I am here to introduce to you the new 2026 Acura Integra. This one happens to be the A-Spec Tech package. So they've got some new things going on this year for it, which we're excited about. This is a brand new color. They actually have 3 new colors. This is the double Apex Blue, which is my favorite. They've got a solar silver as well, and then they've got the urban gray. That's a popular pick on some of our other models as well. But that said, there's a few new things you get with this car. It already was a great seller, but they added a few new things, as you can probably see and have not been used to seeing, is this color matching grille. So this is new for 2026. Love it. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel until it got here, but seeing it in person, I absolutely love it. But it is an accessory that you can do now on a couple models, but it comes standard on this double Apex Blue. Beautiful look to it. They also gave you an aero kit. So on the A-Spec packages, you're gonna see this here. They went all black with the wheel where they had a sharp gray before, but also you've got the kit here. It just gives it a really, really good stance, but really a nice enhancement on that. They gave you, this year as well, they went with a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto standard on all models. And they also went to a 9-inch screen, so a little bigger screen, and a couple different interior colors. This one just so happens to be the Orchid interior, which I really like. But we're excited for the new 2026. The Integra has just been a really, really good seller. It's stealing a lot of market from, just standard models of like a Civic or, a Corolla, because the price point is just fantastic for what you get. But anyway, take a look. This is the new 2026. Come see us at Neil Huffman Acura at Oxmoor. Thanks.